we're about to cut the ribbon and open the Healthcare Educators, Leaders, and Innovators Complex, or HELIX.
We are celebrating the opening of this amazing building, the HELIX. It's been half a decade of initially planning and then building, and very soon, in a week, we're going to move in.
We didn't know it at the time we designed and planned this building, but as it turns out, the size and scope of the building could not have been better conceived. I believe it strikes just the right balance in our new remote, in-person, and hybrid meeting world.
This is where we sit. It is where we will have our offices, where we will hang our coat and have meetings. It is where we will start our days and then walk to our clinics or our other meetings, our ORs. It's where we will mingle, and it is our new home.
The building reflects the way we value our faculty and their teams, the principles of proximity, the importance of collaboration and culture. Most importantly is that focus on our faculty and their departments and they work in, and the staff that helps them achieve what they're trying to do every day, week, month, and year.
The old building is over 60 years old. It is 650,000 square feet. We, over many years, have acquired bits and pieces of it. So of the 20,000 square feet that just the little Department of Dermatology had, we were spread across every floor. We had offices and labs, and now what we have, even though a slightly smaller footprint, is a very efficient, very effective workspace where we can all be together.
This place will help assure our success in the future as we grow and sustain our faculty, staff, students, and the institution.
This represents a way that we can all come together, not as single department, as faculty, as our employees, our staff coming together, but also the departments being close to each other, and I hope that adds to the sense of collegiality and collaboration.
Together, in this building, we will plan and organize the sacred work of relieving the suffering of the ill. Together, in this building, we will exhaust our minds seeking to discover better ways to heal. And to ensure this important work goes on beyond the short horizon of our lives, together in this building, we will teach what we know to the next generation, committed to that same work.